Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Such a joy to see you again. I'm fully back in business and I'm very excited that I have time to sit down again and record a video. Or at least I'm trying to record because my children, they still have vacation and they can be so noisy. In today's video, I have exciting things to share with you. If you don't know, my birthday was back in July and I did receive a few beautiful gifts. I don't want to go through all of them. I just want to show you because I received mostly like gift certificates and money. I spend them wisely at Cult Beauty. I have a few things to share with you and also a free gift with purchase that has just blown my mind. That is amazing. I cannot wait to share with you. And before we are starting, I want to give a shout out to my beautiful friend Jackie Naturals because she was so kind and she did it again. She sent me a gift certificate to Beautylish. She knows how much I shop. She knows how much I love shopping on Beautylish and she sent me a generous birthday gift certificate to Beautylish. I haven't used it yet and I want to thank you, Jackie, for your lovely gift. That has just made my day. So if you don't follow Jackie, I highly recommend you to do so. I will link her channel down below. She does a lot of beautiful unboxings, tutorials. She's a brand ambassador with Stylevana and she does a thorough review. She has now become expert in skincare and I just love her so much. So thank you so much, Jackie, for your kindness. So I'll definitely let you know what I've been shopping using your generous gift card. And because we are talking about gift that I received for my birthday, before going to show you what I purchased from Cult Beauty, I want to show you briefly what I bought from Romania. Actually, my husband paid for the things that I bought, so I bought only jewelry, mostly jewelry. So I have the earrings on, those lovely earrings. I don't know if you are able to tell. There are hoops, but they are like square hoops. And another hoops, those are silver hoops. I love so much the quality of silver that I find in Romania. And then I got into the trend of bracelets. I will show you the one that I don't have it on. The only problem when you are wearing so many bracelets is that they are tangling, so that's a bit frustrating. So this is the one that I don't have it on because it is the one that tangles the most. Now this is the longest one. I have a problem that I have a very small wrist, so all the bracelets that I put on, I need to tie them almost to the bottom of the clothing. So you see all of them are adjustable. So from this reason, the free wire that remains get tangled together with the other. So that's the problem that I have. Then I have this one, which has the infinity here. This is one of my favorites with hearts, all over hearts. I want a necklace in this style. I haven't find it, but I'm looking forward to get that one. And the last one is this one that has leaves. So yeah, those three, I wear them together. I have had them at some point. I had all four and they were completely tangling, so I just removed this bad boy. Maybe I will wear it alone at some point, but you see it's quite large. And I also got three necklaces, also from silver. So one is this one. I also got a pendant, this absolutely beautiful owl. I don't know if I put it upside down. No, this is the face. I love it. She's so cute. Another pendant that I got is this one, this heart with a bow. I will try to do a close-up so you are able to see. And those two necklaces, which can be also worn alone. First is this one. It's a little bit twisted. I don't know if you're able to tell. And this one, that I absolutely love it. It has the beads or the dots. And you can definitely wear this alone. I have been wearing this. But now I have this one, which is old. It's also from Romania. And the J that I have, it's actually a charm from another company. This is from gnomes. Alright, so this is all with the jewelry. Thank you to my husband for sponsoring this part of the video to say that. And now returning to what I purchased from Cult Beauty. I actually wasn't going to purchase right now, but I got an email that one of the products that I had in my on my wish list came back in stock. And this is the bad boy that has made me purchase it. You might already saw the Instagram post. So this is the Westman Atelier Baby Cheek Blush Stick in the shade Juju. So this was the last one that I had planned to have it. So now I have all 4 shades that I'm interested. Of course, I love all of them, but I don't have time in this life to use everything. So look at the beautiful packaging. You already know the packaging. This is very beautiful shade. It has a cool undertone, and I will compare it to Petal. So you can tell Petal it's way more light. I have Petal on today, and Dudu I haven't worn it yet. I will do a try on video and wear everything I will show you in today's video. So I have Petal, Chouchette and a Bichette. I have a short video that I will share with you here on the corner so you can see the swatches. But I'm very chuffed that I have the 4th and the last one that I want as of now. But I hope I will stop here because I have too many Westman Atelier blushes to begin with. The only annoying thing with those Westman Atelier blushes is that when you store them side by side, because they have a very strong magnet, they will like just reject themselves. It's real challenge to hold them on the shelf. Then the second thing that I had on my list, and it was not in stock at Cult Beauty at the time when I wanted, is the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. Now, I have made the statement earlier that I am not such a big fan, not anymore, of bigger palettes, but somehow this palette has just called my name, especially because we are heading to fall, and I believe this palette has fall vibes, even though it was launched during summer. Look at the matte packaging with ombre, very beautiful. Oh, I love the fact that the mirror is now covered, so I don't need to block it, so you can see. I haven't used it yet. I'm also waiting to do either a makeup tutorial or maybe earlier I will post for my IG. I will do a short video and for my TikTok. And when I made a total for my purchase, this was over 100 pounds. As I told you, I received some money from my family, but I also had cashback, not cashback. Every time you purchase from Cult Beauty, you receive points that you can then convert to credit store. So at the time when I purchased those, they had a gift with purchase that if you spend over a certain amount, you are going to get a good goodie bag. Cult Beauty, if I haven't measured every time when I'm not sponsored, I'm not working with them, I haven't seen any of the influencers that I'm following to receive any PR from Cult Beauty. So this is not a company that promotes itself through influencers, but influencers love it so much and they always have only good things to say about Cult Beauty. Remember about the story that I had when I purchased the Petal, the blush from Westman Atelier, and it was just swatched on the sides. I think I mentioned that. And they replaced it for me. They sent me another one without any question. Made it. I just sent them the photo and they replaced it to me. So this is an amazing website. The only thing that everyone signs up with Cult Beauty, they receive an affiliate link, so that I'm sharing with you in my description box. So if you purchase through that link, I receive a credit like £5, I think, 5 or 10. Sometimes they have £10. But yeah, I'm talking and I haven't finished showing you what I also purchased. So I had my eyes on this Laura Mercier foundation. So this is the packaging. I'll show you the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. My shade is 1C2 Chiffon. I'm going to swatch it. So look at the matte packaging. This is the second time I'm wearing it. The only thing is that the pump, when you swatch it, it dispenses a lot of product. Not a lot, but this much quantity, it's now wasted, but doesn't matter. It's a little bit of pink shade. And I have it on today. Now it's a bit light for me as I am right now because I have a bit of a tan going on. But I can see myself using this all year round when I'm not tan, because this shade, it is a perfect match for me. And also I had my eyes for a long time on the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. This is the box. I have it in the shade Buttercup, and I also have it on today. You can tell. Also the shade matches me, so I was pretty damn good on matching myself online. I will say I'm proud of me. And the last thing that I purchased, it is this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper in the shade Puffy Nude. Now the only thing is that this is the type of pencil that once you rotate it to get it open, to get some tip, you will not be able to retract it back. So just be aware how much quantity you dispense. This is the shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. Maybe I would have loved it to have a bit of a hint of pink. It's tad, it's not tad, but it's a bit nude for my taste. I prefer to have a bit of a red. It's still perfect. I have been wearing it, but let me tell you guys that this tangles like anything else. So when you apply it, it really tangles, and I feel like it plumps your lips. So the hype of this, about this, it's real. But there is that, and now let's wipe all the swatches, and I'm going to show you what I received for free just because I was shopping all those goodies. So I got the Laura Mercier foundation, the Too Faced concealer, Too Faced lip liner, Westman Atelier blush in the shade Juju. I don't know why I put them on the box, and the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette Yucca. Now unfortunately this is not available anymore because it takes some time to receive all the mails from UK, and also I did not record as soon as I receive it, but it was available. But I want to show you what you can get because they have those kind of bags every 2-3 months or so. So they are really good on that. And in no particular order, I will start with the product. So this, I think this is the Color Nectar Pigment Balm by Ritual de Fille. Bee Sting is the shade. Yeah, this looks like a mini. Oh, the shade is absolutely gorgeous, and you do get a bit of color. But they say that it's a translucent, everyday color for eyes, lips, and cheeks. Blendable, vibrant, moisturizing, and easy to apply. So you can use this for your lips, cheeks, and even for eyes. This is a Inner Sense Hair Love Prep Spray. How much? 2 fluid ounces. I haven't heard about this brand nor used anything from them. It smells nice. Oh, look at the texture. It's a little bit milky. So I have no idea how to blend it. Maybe put it directly on my hair. I have to look at that. It's a priming spray to provide optimal body style, retention, and thermal care. The next product is by Dr. Dennis Gross, and is the Vitamin C plus Lactic Acid Oil-Free Radiant Moisturizer. This is a mini. I believe there are 7 ml, but I'm not sure if this is not an eye cream, even though it says that it's an oil-free radiant moisturizer. This is a full size, and I'm very excited to get another one. This is the Tan Lux by Super Glow. This is the Super Glow by Tan Lux, and it's a hyaluronic self-tanning serum. It's a gradual self-tanning serum, full size. I have another one from Isle of Paradise, but it's almost gone, and anyway, it's old. You are supposed to use this only 12 months, and I think I have done for 24 months, but it's still performing. But now I have a new one, so I can retire that one, and I'm excited that it's a full size. You can use it for the face, for your body, legs, arms, so not only for the face. Just mix it with moisturizer and it will do its thing. The next product is by Audacité, and it's a wild carrot facial serum concentrate. This rare and precious wild carrot seeds oil is deemed to be the ancestral beauty elixir of French queens, known to donner bon mine, give a fresh glowing complexion. So concentrated, 2-3 drops morning and night. It's all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Okay, I'm excited to try this one. I heard about the brand Audacité, but I never had anything from them. I hope, I'm not sure, maybe I have, and I haven't used it. So here I have only 5 ml, and it's in a dark bottle, which is good to preserve the quality of the ingredients. This is by the brand Shani Darden. Lactic Acid Exfoliating Serum. also 5 ml. So those are very handy because I have finished, as of now, all my small size products because I do not have any more beauty boxes. So everything I had, I finished in those 2 vacations that I had. So I'm excited to have another set of mini products. I believe this is a full size. I'm excited to have this one. This is by Ren, and this is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. 15 ml. If it's for sure a full size, and this is very pricey. So I will pop on the screen the value of this goodie bag. I think it's fabulous to have all those for free, and I also love the fact that you have this kind of applicator. It's more hygienic. This is by the brand Biossance. It's squalene plus vitamin C rose oil. I think I have another of this still waiting for me to use. How much you get here? 12 ml. Okay. Full size of Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I cannot believe that we have been given this. Look how the beautiful packaging. So it's coming in a pink bottle with a pink cap. Love Glow Recipe. So excited to have this in a full size. Then I have this Good Genes Glycolic Acid treatment. I have another one in this size. This is 7 ml, I think. And now to the makeup. So I have this sweet liner that it's a absolutely gorgeous shade. I remember back in my early 20s, I had this kind of liner, and it was everything I was wearing on the top of my lid, and mascara. I don't know, it was a thing at that point. My friend Tracy, it's a very, very big fan of this Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. She says that this is a very good mascara and it's also easy to come off. I'm not going to open it right now, just I want to show it to you, but I'm very excited to give it a try. Now I am using a mascara that has just blown my mind. I got it in a mystery bag. I'm going to probably record after that and post that video soon, even though I'm not uploading so soon to my channel. I think that video will be 2-3 days after this one, so stay tuned for that because I'm going to share that with you. And this is a precision color pencil from the brand 1999. I've seen a lot of this brand in beauty boxes / goodie bags. Okay, this is the liner. Ooh, it's a shade that I will definitely enjoy using. And the last and one of the most exciting products that has made me want to have this goodie bag is the Natasha Denona Mini Retro Eyeshadow Palette. How many times I wanted to purchase this palette and it wasn't on stock, either to Sephora or to Cult Beauty. And now they give it for free. So it was a thing that I shouldn't get it then, because now I got it for free. I haven't used it, but I'm very excited to dig. It's, I would say, quite neutral, boring eyeshadow palette, but I do love so much all Natasha Denona mini palettes. And I know that she has just released another one which has the vibes of this one. Of course, the colors are different, but has the same vibes because it's more neutral. So I will probably skip that one because I have this one in my life. So yeah, you guys, this is everything I wanted to share with you. I want to thank again to my beautiful friend Jackie Naturals for the lovely gift card that she has sent to me. I will have her channel linked down below. Please go ahead and give her love and a big hug from my side. And also to all my friends and family that have been sending gifts and birthday wishes. That has meant a lot to me, so I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all your kindness and lovely friendship. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned for the next video, that it will be a mystery box, double mystery box unboxing. And thank you so much for taking a little bit of your time to spend it here with me on my channel. It means everything to me. So I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile. And I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Bye bye!